Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Sheyi Dairo. In today's video, I want to show you how to transfer crypto or assets or coin from one exchange to another in a professional way without losing your hard-earned money. So give me your attention by watching this video from the beginning to the end. So I'm going to start from CoinX. For instance, now I come to my assets on CoinX like this, and I want to send money out of CoinX. I want to send it somewhere else. Now I want to tell you what is very important things you need to ask. If you want to send money or receive money, what are the things you need to know? We are still heading there now. So let's say I want to send money now from CoinX to other exchange. So I will click on withdraw. So when I click on the withdraw, the next thing is here. They say select coin or token and transfer mode, right? So you can come here now, you will select the coin you want to transfer, right? So let's say it's USDT. So when I select USDT now, the next thing is this one, transfer mode, normal transfer and inter-user transfer. Inter-user transfer means that I want to send to someone using CoinX account within the exchange. That is, every exchange has something like this. If I go to another exchange, I will show you something like that. So but this one is normal transfer, like I want to transfer to maybe external exchange. So normal transfer by default. Then this is very, very important. If you have noticed, at times you will send your wallet address to someone that, oh, please, I want to buy USDT. You send it, and that person told you that, oh, please send another one, and they usually refer that send another chain type. That is what they usually tell you. So why are they requesting that send another? I thought they will tell you sell BIP20. Why are they telling you that give me another thing? That is one of the things I want to show you here, the secret, so that you will not accept any address anyhow. Okay, come to this now, fill in the withdrawal info. Now look at this, it says select network. Look at this network now. If I select BP20 now address now, which means they will look at the fee, they will charge me 0.06 US dollars. If I select TRC20 now, they will charge me 1.702 US dollars. And look at this one also, ERC now 2.7 US dollar. Look at this one, 0.4. different one like that. Every exchange have different like that. So that is why you have to carefully watch before you go for anyone. And at times, if you go for cheapest one, there are some cheapest that may land you in trouble. Okay, let's say for instance now I'm considering like this CSC is somehow cheap. If I select this one, it means the address I'm expecting to send it to, they must give me the same network that have CSC. They must connect the same. If I select BEP20 here, BEP20 is what I select here, that's what is favor me. The person that will give me the wallet address I'm sending to, that person must also select the same thing. But if you are selecting something that's comfortable for you here, like you see that it's CSC that's comfortable for you, what of the person you want to send it to? Does the person have such network in their own exchange? So you have to consider this. It's not about going for cheapest fee only. It's about considering if other exchange we have the same network. But commonly, when it comes to BP20, TRC20, ERC20, yes, we know that every exchange, am I right? Every exchange have it. So let's say if me personally, if I want to send to someone now, I will prefer to go for this. This is BP20. It's very cheap here, 0.06. So if I click on 0.06 here now, I click on it. When selected, then they say withdraw address. Now I cannot tell the person I want to send USD to that, okay, please give me withdrawal address. I will not state this BP20. Don't take anyhow wallet address. If not, that money may just go and lost. Let me now assume like I'm going to the other party that want to receive the fund. Let's say I want to send it to Bybit. So I come to Bybit now. Let me go to my assets, and in my assets now, I'm acting like person that want to receive the fund now. If you want to receive the fund in your own exchange, you will come to deposit, not withdraw, deposit. I click on deposit. This is the person that want to receive in Bybit, right? So I click on deposit, right? And I get to this place. They said choose coin to deposit. They have suggested common one from me here. You see USDT. I've seen it here. I can select USDT, or you can click on this drop down menu. You see many more, or you can click on this search button. Let me select USDT now. I'm using this one as a sample for you. So now they say choose a chain. So now I will click on this. See the different drop down menu here. If you notice, they are not showing me charges here. It's because it's me that want to receive the fund. fund, receive the asset, receive the coin. It is person withdrawing or sending out that will be charged withdrawal fee or transfer fee. And that is why anytime you want to send, again I repeat, make sure you check the one that will favor you, and you will be the one to take decision for person that want to buy from you or person that want to receive from you. That okay, this is the one I want you to select. Are you following? So let's go now. So now let's say you tell that person now, let me go back to CoinEx. I think I have selected BIP20. So the person that want to receive it now must also give you what? BIP20. So look at the options now. Look at chain type, ERC20, right? We have TRC20. Let's go and look for BP20. This is BP20. Now click on this BP20. It will generate the address for me. Now they say please confirm that you are depositing USDT to this address on the BSC BEP20 network. They are still telling you the same thing I've been telling you, so that you will not have problem with the transaction. Look at this now. Mismatched address information may result in the permanent loss of your assets. So which means I am sending or withdrawing from CoinEx using BEP20, and you want to receive in Bybit, you must also select BEP20. So it must be the same. Are you guys following? So that is how to send and receive crypto assets. So now I will click on acknowledge. Now they have given me the address. The next thing to do is to click on this copy. This is copy. So when copied, then I will come to CoinEx, and this withdrawal address, I'll paste it here. Now it's pasted. So you cannot put the amount of USDT you want to put here. Put everything here. I don't have USDT. I've used almost all my money to buy BTC. So let's say, let me put 10. When you put $10 there, now look at the charges. They have included charges there. Then you will now click on withdraw. That is all. In other way around, let's say I want to send from Bybit to CoinEx. I will come to this place. I will not click on deposit. What will I do? I will click on withdraw. So let me click on withdraw. I will select coin, then click here, select the coin or search for the particular coin here. So I will select USDT. Don't forget, this one also have its own on-chain withdrawal or internal transfer. Internal transfer means you are sending to Bybit user. On-chain withdrawal means that I'm sending now to another exchange. So here now, you need to put that person's wallet address here. But before you put that person's wallet address, so that to know the right question, don't forget this is just the repetition, so that you can have full understanding again. In order to be able to ask the right question, you can come to this chain type, then go and check your fees, so as to know how to instruct person that want to buy it from you or get the assets from you. So now look at the fees here. ERC20 here, look at the charges. You can imagine somebody send you wallet address which is ERC20. Look at the fee they will charge you, $8. If you want to send just $3 and they charge you $8, does that make sense? And if you don't check, you will not know the right question to ask. So now let's go for a cheaper one. TRC20, they charge just $1.6, right? Let's go further. Arbitron charge $1, but there's no tendency that other exchange will have this. So let's go further. Solana SOL $1, right? BP20 charge $1. I think we are seeing BP. We are still going to consider BP20 $1. Let's see. Okay, as at now, BP20 is the surest one we can go for. So which means I will tell the other party that give me wallet address and then give them your specification, which is BEP20. So let me go there now. So let's say I want to receive in my CoinEx account. I will go to asset here. I will now click on deposit here, not withdraw, deposit. Then you select your token, but don't worry, it's by default USDT, right? It's okay. Now here I will select BEP20 based on instruction given me by the sender. I will select BP20. So when selected BP20, here now they will not even tell me anything about fee. No. I'm the one that want to receive. I'm not the sender. So from here now, look at the address. They have given me the address. I will now copy this address. Copy. So when copy, I will send it to that my guy that want to send me crypto. So that my guy will now put the address I sent to him, put it here, wallet address. So I have pasted it here now, and I will put the amount here. When put the amount, then I'll click on confirm. But there is something happening here with Bybit. You must have your crypto in your funding account. So look at this now. Funding. I don't have any money here in funding. So what I will do now is I'll click on this place now. If this is just optional, it may not be part of the purpose of this video, but I'm just trying to let you know what to do here. So click on this transfer. Let me quickly transfer money from my unified account. So this is unified. We have unified trading and funding. If you have money on funding, you cannot do spot trading. You cannot do it. That means you have to transfer your money from spot trading to unified trading. Because so I have transferred all my money to unified trading. So that is why you don't see any money there. And before you can send out money, you have to transfer from unified trading back to funding. So let me quickly do it from here. So I think this is from unified to funding, right? Good. And this is USDT. Good. So look at it now. I have $24+ left. So let me select all, then click on confirm. So I have the money there now, and then click on all. So I have it here now. Instead of $24.8, they have removed the charges, transfer fee. It remains 23.8 something. So I will now click on confirm here and proceed to send the money. Just so simple. But I'm just showing you this to be in case you have money, you are like, I don't see my money. It's possible your money you have transferred it to your unified something funny account. So just transfer it back, then send it out. That's all. So this is Bitget, the same thing. This is Mexc, the same. See, any exchange, that is just the secret I have given you. Please, if you have any question on this video, please drop it for me, or you have a particular challenge on a crypto space you want me to make a video around for you, drop it for me in the comment section. I will try to work on it to make a video around it so that everyone will benefit from my YouTube channel. Please don't hesitate to give me a like on this video. I will appreciate. And please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you think I am trying, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I beg you, please share this video. I'm begging you, please share this video. And if you want to connect with me on WhatsApp, check the pinned comment. You're able to connect with me on WhatsApp. And if you want to sign up for some of these things, just check the description to my video. You see link, tutorial videos, and link to sign up for different exchanges, and with some bonuses attached to that. This video is very important. I want you to go and watch it. And this one, I love you guys. See you guys in my next videos.